Hello viewers, welcome back to TOK. Today we'll discuss about capital gain taxation for the financial year 24-25, AY 25-26. You know, last year being an election year, the full-fledged budget was presented on 23rd July 24 and capital gain taxation amended. So we'll discuss 111A, section 111A, section 112A, and also section 112. You know, 111A talks about short-term capital gain on shares, 112A on long-term capital gains on shares, and 112 talks about deals with long-term capital gain on other capital assets, say immovable property, real estate, etc. So first we will take 111A. And you know that for short term, for shares, it is, suppose the asset is held, shares held for less than 12 months. It is short term, otherwise long term. So if it's short term, first we have to bifurcate our capital gain from 1st April to 22nd July 24. And from 23rd July to 31st March accordingly, the second leg. The first leg, whatever the capital gain on short-term capital gain on shares, the tax rate applicable is 15%. Whereas short-term capital gain on shares for the second leg, it is 20%. It is 20% and not 15%. And we analyze 112A long term. Long term, for first leg, tax rate is 10% and exemption is 1 lakh. There is an exemption of 1 lakh for long-term capital gains on shares. In the second leg, the tax rate is increased to 12.5%. But exemption is also enhanced to 1.25 lakhs. But altogether, overall, for the year, we can claim only 1.25 lakhs as exemption from long-term capital gains on shares. We cannot take 2.25 lakhs. That's 1 lakh plus 1.25. No, not permissible. Suppose in the first leg, we have a long-term capital gain of 1,50,000 rupees. You can take only 1 lakh as exemption, right? And the second leg, there is no capital gain. Let's assume first leg 1.5 lakhs, second leg 0. In such a scenario, we cannot claim 1.25 lakhs basic exemption because 1 lakh only applicable during that first leg. That's my personal view. But suppose you have a 1 lakh gain on first leg and you claim 1 lakh. The second leg, if you have some other capital gain on shares, then there also you can claim 25,000. So altogether, overall 1.25. Suppose the first leg you don't have any long-term capital gain. The second leg you have the capital gain. In such a scenario, you can very well claim 1.25 lakhs. Now we'll come to 112, real estate transaction. During the first leg, the tax rate is for long-term capital gain on assets other than shares, real estate transaction, etc. The tax rate is 20% with indexation for all, resident as well as non-residents. The second leg, however, the tax rate is 12.5% without indexation or 20% with indexation for residents only and not for NRIs. That's a big change last year. And suppose you have short-term capital gain on immovable property. Short-term capital gain on immovable property. In such a scenario, it will be treated as a normal income. You will have to offer it as normal income only. and slab rate will apply, special rate will not apply. And now the question 87A rebate issue. 87A rebate is barred for 112A, that is long term capital gain on shares. There is no tax rebate. However, there is no specific bar for 111A or 112 gains. So, in my view, tax rebate under 87A can be claimed up to 25 lakhs, can be claimed for short term capital on shares as well as for long term on other capital assets. And recently the Mumbai High Court has recently upheld this, and due date for filing belated returns or revised returns extended till January 15, 2025 recently. So, but last year till June we had no issue while processing the return. From July onwards, due to some updation, some error, some glitches, this 87 rebate has been denied for short-term capital gains and long-term capital and others, capital assets also, by mistake. And I'm sure that with the pronouncement of Honorable High Court of Mumbai, this will be taken care of till this March 25. That's for 24-25. Tax rate will be made available. But the recent budget, on 1st February 25, this tax rebate has been taken out. So no tax rebate for 111A, 112A or 112. That's made clear in the finance bill, in the budget recently. That's all, my viewers. Thank you. Keep on watching FinTalk, and I will come back to you soon, shortly on FinTalk. Of course, I have a disclaimer that it's only my personal opinion. It's for on education purpose only, not for any other purpose. We can have a discussion, debates on these issues. Come back to me with your text or messages or calls. Thank you, viewers. Thank you. Thanks a lot.